Hi, I'm Marna, and I had some ideas for the 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie doll for shoes, and I wanted to share with you. This is one of my very favorite dolls. I have her out a lot for the holidays. I dressed her for Easter, so her boots came off, and I found that the Monster High open-toed shoes also fit and work for her. Now, look how I have her set up for Easter. I changed my candy bowl and she has her hand over it to remind me to stay out of it so I can look like her, not like, well, this. The Barbie shoes fit pretty good. They are a wee bit small, but honestly, let me pull her off. Not bad at all. I think they fit better than the boots did, and the boots look quite fine to me. I'm not as picky as some doll collectors, but to me, some shoes are better than bare feet. And when I bought this doll, she did not come with shoes. So now she's got these little Easter shoes. And where I got those was eBay for my Monster High doll shoes. And I just tried them one day and they fit. Well, I'm not going to get her in there for a moment. But I brought these down. These are how I bought the boots, and they were a couple of bucks. Now, I'll warn you, I went back to look for others. They don't have them. Evidently, they've sold out. But I wanted to show you the boots in case you hadn't seen my doll in them before. These are the Monster High open-toed sandal boots. Real cute, and they work out. The first time you put them on, they are a little tight, but, well, come on. Of course not. Now I'm on film and it's not going on at all. Well, look at that. There you go. Now, as you can see, that's a little smaller, but when you get your doll in the stand from the front, it's not bad. Now, the closed-toed shoes for Monster High will not fit the 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie. They don't even go on because they only go on about this far. But otherwise, these work, and there's my Barbie's Easter shoes. Thank you for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe.